Hi guys, welcome to Garden of Beautiful Life. So today I'm going to talk about this useful aloe vera plant, and I'm going to talk about the basic tips required to grow this aloe vera plant. So if you talk about the aloe vera plant, they are quite useful in day to day life, and there are like lot of hacks which you can do using the aloe vera plant. So it's a beautiful plant also, and it has lot of medicinal properties also. Let's talk about the sunlight first. So aloe vera requires a bright light, so you have to make sure that you keep it at a place at your home where the bright light comes. Otherwise, if you keep it in a dark spot, then the aloe vera leaves might start drying up, and they will not grow. So you have to make sure that you keep aloe vera at a place where the bright light comes. And in summers, you have to protect aloe vera from harsh summer heat strokes. So those are the two things regarding sunlight and heat. So if you talk about the soil, aloe vera is also a succulent, and it requires a well drained soil. So the soil should have a little bit of sand, so that whenever you water the pot from the top, the water shouldn't stand in the pot and it should drain out, but the soil should be moist. So make sure while preparing the soil of the aloe vera, you put like little bit of soil, little bit of gravel, and little bit of sand. The third most important thing is water. So generally the aloe vera plant dies because of overwatering. So we have to remember that aloe vera is a succulent. It belongs to the succulent family. So you have to water aloe vera when it is dried out, the soil is dried out, then only you have to water aloe vera. Otherwise aloe vera's roots starts rotting, and then it starts becoming yellow. So if you want a healthy aloe vera plant, you have to know the art of watering aloe vera plant, I could say, because if you overwater the plant, it definitely dies. So the basic problem of aloe vera arises when you start overwatering it. So make sure whenever you water aloe vera plant, the soil is dried up, and then only you are watering the aloe vera plant. So that's it. And if you talk about fertilizers, so aloe vera actually, you have to give phosphorus based fertilizers more in aloe vera, and it will be good if you give water based fertilizers to aloe vera. So you can use any fertilizer, you can even give banana peels, you can even use eggshells for aloe vera. So aloe vera can be given any sort of fertilizer, but if you give phosphorus fertilizer, it will be good for aloe vera. So, and the last thing, whenever you're planting aloe vera and taking care of it, you would find these baby aloe vera plants coming up. So you can take out those plants and plant it in another pot, so you'll get another aloe vera plant. So I'll make another video on that. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, please like my video and share my video too, and I would be posting more garden hacks and DIYs.